So this is my donkey. Her name is Mama Spice. She's super lovable. As you can see, there's stripes on her, like something. And she really loves when I play with her ears. And she's very, very, very lovable. I love her as the size of every planet on the Earth, even everything on the planets. And by the way, she really loves to play. And as you can see, there's a lot of grass around here for them to chew. And also, we have two great neighbors. They're super friendly. Well, one is kind of friendly. The other is super friendly. His name is Bernard. He's super friendly at Halloween. He gets candies, and me and my brother go visit him and Mom and Dad. It's so fun. As you can see, there's a lot of mosquitoes around here. We could maybe go in, but we have a lot of weeds here, and me and my dad are farmers, so we keep a lot of weeds away. I am so good at handling it with my dad. And by the way, this is going to be the best summer ever with my donkey. Thank you for watching. And by the way, my name is Rancluse Fair. Bye.